Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Today let's continue with our new chapter Mean and Median. Here is our first question children. Find the height of 6 boys. They have given the height of the 6 boys. Find their mean height. We have to find out the mean. Mean is nothing but it is the average. Other name for mean is average. We all know very easily how to find out the average, right? It's the same thing, but here we are going to do using a formula of mean. The given data. This is the given data, children. These are the respective heights of each boys. First step, you have to write down the given data. And second step would be write the formula. And third one would be simplify. So third step is to simplify using this formula. Just substitute the values in this formula and simplify. That is the third step. So it is very easy. Let's enter into our problem. This is the question. First you have to write the given data. Here I am writing the formula directly because I have taught you so many videos how to write the given data, right? So here first I am going to write down the mean formula. This is the formula children, 1 by n. Here we have to understand what is n, what is xi. N is number of observations. Here what is observations? Observations are nothing but this values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is there are 6 observations. So n value would be 6. Is it clear? Now I is equal to 1 to 6. How to write this value? There are 6 observations, right? So x1. So in place of I, just substitute 1 first. Then x or xi will be 146 centimeter. Yes, x to the power of base 1 would be 146 centimeter. X2, that is x to the base of 2. That is base of 2. I'm saying just x2, right? But if you want to pronounce it correctly, then you should pronounce it as x to the base 2, right? X2 would be 154. Similarly, replace it with 3 once again, 4, 5, 6. So I is the observations, right? Observations of each one. So x to the base 1 is 146 centimeter, x2 will be 154 centimeter, and similarly I have given the respective names to that values, to that each observation, right? Now if you expand this is the formula, 1 by 6, that is n is 6 total number of observations, into, so in place of I you are going to substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And you are going to add all those observations. Now just substitute, multiply over here, so you will get, this is the exact formula. Now just substitute the values over there. Now just add it up and divide it with 6, then you will get 155 centimeter. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.